Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Wuchang fallen feathers, crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. First solution includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check your problem is fixed or not. However, you can check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Step 1. Make sure your Xbox is up to date. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, click on system, then click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update your Xbox. Step 2 is to clear Wuchang fallen feathers cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Wuchang fallen feathers game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Then click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3. Clear persistent storage. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. Step 4. Clear alternative MAC address. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to general, network, settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now you can launch Wuchang fallen feathers and check if your issue is fixed or not. Second solution is to remove and re-add account. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Click on settings in profile and system section, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Third solution is to run Wuchang fallen feathers from store instead of running the game from Xbox home. To do this, type Wuchang fallen feathers in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game. Hope this helps. Fourth solution is to manually select port. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Click on settings in profile and system section. In general tab, select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and then check if this fixes your issue or not. Fifth solution is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings. In the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Enter 8888 for primary DNS and 8888 for secondary DNS. Now launch the game and check. Sixth solution, switch network connection. If you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot. And if possible, then try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Seventh solution is to make sure your game is up to date. Go to my apps and games, find Wuchang fallen feathers. Once on the game tile, press the menu button and select manage game and add-ons and then select check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install them. Eighth solution is to restart your Xbox to fix overheating and ventilation issue. You have to make sure your Xbox console is not overheating as well as check that your Xbox is placed somewhere where there is a good ventilation. To fix this issue, just restart your console. Press and hold the Xbox button on your console for 10 seconds. Now wait for and let Xbox to cool down before turning it on again. Now open Wuchang fallen feathers to see if problem fixed or not. Ninth solution is to check storage space. Make sure your Xbox console has enough storage space. If there is low space available, then your game may experience issue like stuttering, crashing, freezing, lagging, not launching. Hence, delete some not in used games or saved games files. Last solution is to reinstall Wuchang fallen feathers. If none of the solution work, then last solution is to uninstall Wuchang fallen feathers from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it. then launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.